Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cybersecurity with Sophos, quick tutorial step by step clearly. In this quick tutorial, we will explore how to improve your cybersecurity using Sophos. First, begin by downloading the Sophos software from the official website. Ensure you choose the right version for your operating system. Install the software by following the on-screen prompts. Once installed, launch the application to start the setup process. Create a Sophos account if you don't already have one. Log into your Sophos account to access the dashboard. Navigate to the dashboard to view your current security status. Review any alerts or notifications displayed on your dashboard. Go to the protection section to set up web filtering. Enable web filtering to block dangerous websites. In the same section, configure the antivirus settings. Ensure real-time scanning is enabled for maximum protection. Move to the firewall settings to adjust your network security. Enable firewall protection to control incoming and outgoing traffic. Next, set up email protection to filter out phishing attempts. Go to the email section and enable spam protection. Make sure to regularly update your threat definitions. Schedule automatic updates to keep your software current. Consider enabling the ransomware protection feature. This adds an extra layer of defense against unauthorized file access. Review and adjust the settings according to your specific needs. Finally, run a full system scan to assess your current security status. Make sure to monitor the dashboard regularly for new alerts. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your cybersecurity with Sophos. Stay proactive and keep your system secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.